Welcome to the Fundamentals. In this topic, we'll be talking about views. The task window in Microsoft Project can be customized and saved as a view. It is the version of layout in pieces which can also be saved for future purposes. A view is very useful for the following. It allows one to retrieve information quickly and easily. And secondly, it makes reports or information readily available for different stakeholders. Now we're also going to demonstrate how to create view in Microsoft Project. The view that we're going to demonstrate, we're going to call it New Project View. That is, whenever we are going to create any project for the first time and we're about to work on the schedule, we're going to be using this view to create that schedule. In this view, we want to see the task name. We need to see the duration. We need to see the start. We need to see the finish. We will also be demonstrating this view as we show the predecessors, and then we're also going to make sure that we see the successor columns. These are the columns that we want to see in this view as we are going to start creating it right now. At this point, we want to start creating the view in our project that we'll be working on, which is the mega apartment project. And I've already have mine open. And what you are seeing right now is simply the tables that we have by default. So we have some of the columns that we need also already in this current view. We have the task name already. We have the duration. We have the start. We have the finish. We also have the predecessors. Also, we have the resource names, but it is not one of those columns that we need to display as we create this view. So we're going to take this away. And how do you do that? You simply highlight it the way I've just done, and then you right click, and then you see where it says hide column. When you click on hide column, it goes away. Now, of all the columns that we already have, the only one that is not there that we need is the successors column. So where it says add new column, I will click on there, and when I click on there, it's going to list all the columns that are available in Microsoft Project. It is also arranged in alphabetical order, but to make things easier, I can simply type the first set of letters for the column I'm looking for. I'm looking for the successors, which starts with S. When I type S, immediately it's going to show me the columns that are associated with S. So as I type more, you see at the point, I'm only left with successors. So I can simply press the enter key, and that way I've added the successor columns as well. Now that I have all the columns that I need, the next thing for me to do is for me to save this view such that I will be able to use them or use it in the future. So I'll go to the menu where I have the let's start up again. Relax. So now that I have all the columns that I need to create this view, from my menu tab, I will click on View. Then right here under the task view groups, where it says Other Views, I click on the drop down arrow, and it's going to give me the option where it says Save View. I'll click on that, and it's going to pull up this dialog box for me, which now gives me the opportunity to name it. And we are told that we're going to save this view as New Project View, and that is what I'm going to type in there. Now, unlike PCs, Microsoft Project does not have a different group for whatever layout or whatever view that you created. It's still going to put everything in just one simple group. So my recommended approach is whatever view that you are creating in Microsoft Project, when you are naming it, put it in all caps. That way you can easily tell that, okay, this is the layout that I created, as opposed to every other layout that comes with the software by default. So in other words, I'm going to name this view as New Project View, but all in caps. Now, having done that, I will now click on OK. So as I click on OK, I have saved that view. Now, in the future, if you want to use it or use any other view, you come to the same other views, click on the drop down arrow, and when you click on More Views, it's going to pull up the View dialog box for you. And by the time you come to the group where you have the N, you will find out that the New Project View that we just created is right there, and is in all caps, whereas all the other ones are not. So that is how you go ahead and call up the view anytime you want to use it, and it will be readily available for you. With that, we have completed this exercise on creating view. I hope this has been very helpful to you. If so, I see you in the next class. Thank you.
Hello, and thank you for being part of this teaching. We hope this video has been very helpful to you. Just a reminder that this is one of the videos in this series, and all the videos are available on this YouTube channel. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. If you find this video helpful and you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscription button to afford yourself easy access to more videos that are constantly being loaded for the purpose of enhancing your careers. Are you interested in taking the full course for this training? Please visit our website at www.greenlandfoundations.com. You can reach us via email info@greenlandfoundations.com or glandfoundations@gmail.com, as well as communicate with us via phone, text messages, or WhatsApp at area code 281-772-0211. We have live online and remote classes for the following: Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, Microsoft Office Tools, Project Management Professionals, Basic Computer Training, and many more.